Hey everybody, it's Stephanie Mo Davis. So, for the CKD, dialysis, transplant community, I want to share with you. These times are challenging and they're rough, but I want to remind you, you're made for this. You guys have been through more in your lifetimes than most individuals will go through in many lifetimes. Please don't forget all that you've accomplished, all that you've overcome, all that you've faced, all of the times that you had to change and shift and remove and give up and navigate and compromise. You guys are stronger than you know. You are made for these times. It is true and it is accurate that we are immune compromised. We are quote unquote vulnerable. But what I'm here to tell you is don't let that vulnerability interfere with the immense power that you hold. You have mental willpower. You have inner strength. Your physical body may need a little bit more support than the normal human being, right? We need to be cautious out there. But please, let's not dwell on our vulnerabilities. Let's take the necessary precaution and let's help to school the millions of people out there who've never had to live with anything near of the elements that we've had to endure, okay? So what I suggest and what I want you guys to consider is this. Instead of talking about your vulnerabilities, talk about your strengths. Help others, teach, and help share how you've navigated with your own self-quarantine, how you've navigated mentally and internally under great compromise and challenge. That will automatically help your immune system a little bit. When we move to immense gratitude and service, then self-focus, okay? I don't want to say anything negative about anybody sharing their high-risk COVID-19 story. But the reality is, it's not all about us. It's about everybody. It's about humanity. It's about anybody that's facing great challenge. And there's many people that will die that don't have exactly what we have. This is about the aggregate. This is about the whole. And as transplant patients, we are more susceptible, but we're not vulnerable, and we're definitely stronger than many, many, many people out there. So please share with others, talk to people who haven't been through what we have, and share your story of how you've coped, tools and tips and methodologies and things that you do, because you have a strength beyond what most people can say that they've experienced, okay? Focus on that. Focusing on the immense gratitude and what we've developed, this immense initiation that we've been through as transplant patients, as CKD patients, all right? We're the ones that this time has been waiting for. Yes, we must be very safe and we must be cautious, but we must not be in fear, and we must not hype on our vulnerabilities. We must emphasize our strengths and share them with the world. From my heart to you.